Have you ever noticed how someone who was once very open slowly becomes more guarded with time? Someone who used to speak freely now chooses their words carefully. Someone who trusted easily now thinks twice before letting anyone in. It's not attitude, and it's not rudeness. It's memory. Past pain quietly changes behavior. When someone has been hurt before, their brain learns one simple rule. Protect yourself first. Feel later. That's why they become quieter. That's why they trust more slowly. And that's why they overthink small things. Not because they've become cold, but because they remember how it felt the last time. Psychology explains this clearly. Pain teaches the brain patterns. If opening up once led to hurt, the mind remembers and says, "Let's not do that again." So openness turns into boundaries. Honesty turns into silence. And closeness turns into distance. This isn't change. And it isn't weakness. It's survival. Many of these people feel deeply, but show very little. They've learned that not everyone deserves access to their emotions, so they lock their heart, not because they don't care, but because they care too much. Hiding your feelings doesn't mean you're weak. It means you've been strong for a very long time. And sometimes, healing isn't about becoming who you used to be. It's about learning how to feel safe again. And when the right people arrive, the need to protect yourself slowly fades away.